In this video, I'm going to show you how to set price alerts on Webull app. Now first, you want to go to the bottom right where it says menu and tap on that. And from here under shortcuts, you can see it says my alerts. It's going to be the first one in the bottom row. So tap on my alerts and from here tap on add alert. And here you can go ahead and basically add an alert. So we can search for stock to add alerts. For example, I'm going to go ahead and search for Tesla right now just to show you. There we go. I'm going to tap on it. You can do for whatever stock you want, of course. And then over here, you could go and, of course, set quotes or technical. You could go ahead and do both. And you can go ahead and set price alerts for whatever you want. So for example, let's say I want to be a price above and I'm going to do, let's just do like 1,000, for example, or actually I'm just going to do like 160 over here. There we go. And I'm going to enable this. And of course, you could go ahead and do multiple alerts in here. Whenever you're ready, you can go ahead and add like the volume, news, etc. as well. Tap on save at the bottom, and this is going to basically save your alert. Okay. Now, if you want to change it, you can simply tap on it, and from here, you can add new alerts inside your current alert as well. And you can add a new one by tapping add alert at the bottom left. So that's essentially how to set price alerts. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.